Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial, how to check TPM is present on your Windows PC for install latest release Windows 11. Get a fresh perspective, minimize your productivity, new way to connect your content created by you, playtime anytime, find the right PC for you, stay up to date with what's new, get ready. But before you installation Windows 11, check for compatibility. Must be health check compatibility. Use the PC health checks app. See if your current PC meets the requirements to run Windows 11. If so, you can get a free upgrade when it rolls out. This is coming soon. Processor 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more cores on a compatibility 64 processor or system on a chips. Memory 4 GB, storage 64 GB or larger storage device, system firmware UEFI or secure boot capable. TPM trusted platform module TPM version must be 2.0. This is very important for Windows 11. Graphics card graphics detects 12 compatibility graphics, display larger 9-inch or with HD resolution 720 pixel, internet connection, Microsoft account and internet connectivity required for setup for Windows 11 Home. This is a new one. Certain features require specific hardware. See details. System requirements. Shop for a Windows 11 compatible PC at the retails. Best Buy, Amazon, Walmart, Microsoft. You can buy from this. Frequently asked question about Windows 11. You can find your solution here. Now I try to check compatibility for my PC Windows 11. So after complete boot, then open your pen drive and right mouse click setup.exe file and run as a administrator. Then wait when complete preparing 100%. Now install Windows 11 window, then click next. Checking for updates. Yes, I see this is error. This PC cannot run Windows 11. The PC must support TPM 2.0 and the PC must support secure boot. Otherwise, you cannot install Windows 11. What is TPM? TPM stands for Trusted Platform Module. Trusted Platform Module Technology. Feature description. Trusted Module Platform Technology is designed to provide hardware-based security-related function. A TPM chip is a secure crypto processor that is designed to carry out cryptographic operations. The chip includes multiple physical security mechanisms to make it tamper resistant, and malicious software is unable to tamper with the security function of the TPM. Some of the key advantages of using TPM technology are that you can generate, store and limit the use of the cryptographic keys, use TPM technology for platform device authentication by using the TPM in unique RSA key with a bond into itself. TPM is a computer chip that can securely store effects used to authenticate the platform like your PC. So I want to show another process. So press Windows key and R, then open this window and type tpm.msc and click OK, and now open TPM window, trusted platform module, TPM management on local computer. Compatibility TPM cannot be found. So now I am ensure my computer cannot be installed Windows 11 because of TPM not found my computer. So I fix this issue and I will set up Windows 11 as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.